Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form on Google Forms. So, the first thing that you want to do is that go onto your search engine and go into Google Drive. Google Drive sign in. Alright, so and then you want to sign in into your Google Drive. Put in your password and all that. Okay, and then what you want to do is you click on this new plus button. It will create, and then you can see there's an option here. There is the Google Forms option. Alright, so as you can see, the Google Form is already created automatically for you, and after you have to put in a title. So let's say in this example, we're going to use let's say it's like we're doing a survey, so we can say survey on favorite fast food restaurant. Alright, and after you set in the title, it will save the file, and you can see that it's already created and it is available in your Google Drive. Okay, so after creating the form, putting in the title, you can choose what type of survey that is going to be. Is it a multiple choice, or is it a checkbox type of survey or question, or a drop down one? Okay, in this example, I'm going to be using the multiple choice. So, and then you can put in your question. You can say let's say, who makes the best burgers, let's say. And then you can put it you can put the options. Now you can add a lot of options, as you can see here, but mostly on most surveys, publicly or academic or corporate, probably it's best to limit it to only 4 options, and the 5th one being the other here, as you can see here. That means anybody can answer it, whatever that's not in the first 4 options. So let's say we can put here Burger King, all the other fast food chain restaurants. And then let's say, for example, somebody likes maybe somebody likes to eat maybe somebody likes to eat not a different type of fast food chain restaurant. They can opt to type in the answer manually instead of choosing for the first 4 options. So in the description, you can put a brief explanation of what the survey is about. Let's say you can put in here, hello, we are whatever, and then we are currently doing a survey on blah blah blah. Yeah, it can basically be a brief explanation or description of who you are and what is the survey for, or whatever are you using the forms for. And then the responses can be seen inside here, next to the questions, and whatever people answer when they get the form, it will be displayed here for you to see. As part of your research, or just getting customer feedbacks, just something like that is how you can use Google Forms. Okay, so if you like our video, please help us like and share. If you successfully downloaded or created or perform a successful Google form, created one, please leave a comment below and let us know. Thank you.